Hello friends, today it is day 0 at the Chancery Pavilion Hotel from the side of the company Texas Instruments. So today I will say what happened in day 0 there in the campus of Texas Instruments. There was an ice breaking session, lot of fun activities happened there, and after that at the end of the session we got this welcome kit. Here this is a bag of Texas Instruments, this jacket, this t-shirt. After that this water bottle, the gift box, this diary and pen. So this hotel we got, here is the accommodation of two people in the one room. It's actually the VIP hotel, which is a five-star hotel. This is named Chancery Pavilion. You can see things are well placed here. We got this hotel for first 15 days or 2 weeks. After that, we'll shift to some PG or flats. But for first 15 days, this hotel is given, and we are kept to the companies by some bus service. Buses taking the people from this hotel to campus, and after that in evening from campus to hotel. So this is the initial starting of this Texas Instruments with a nice package of this gift box along with the other items. This is a welcome kit and with this nice welcome in this hotel. So thank you friends for this welcome kit and welcome day at Texas Instruments. Thanks a lot.